Good morning students, welcome to mathematics class. Question number 16, miscellaneous exercise. Question number 16, solve the system of equations. Miscellaneous exercise. Question number 16, solve the system of equations. 2 by x plus 3 by y plus 10 by z equal to 4. 4 by x minus 6 by y plus 5 by z equal to 1. 6 by x plus 9 by y minus 20 by z equal to 2. Okay, solve the system of equations. Okay, this is different. First here let 1 by x equal to p, 1 by y equal to q, 1 by z equal to small. Let 1 by x equal to p, 1 by y equal to q, 1 by z equal to r. Okay, here say 2 by x. 2 by x. This is 2p. 2p no? P equal to 1 by x. 2 into 1 by x, 2 by x same. 2p plus 3q plus 10r equal to 4. PQR. P equal to 1 by x. 1 by x into 2, 2 by x. Q equal to 1 by y. 1 by y into 3, 3 by y. R equal to 1 by z. 1 by z into 10, 10 by z. Same as the second and third also same. Okay, 4p minus 6q plus 5r equal to 1. Third equation, 6p plus 9q minus 20r equal to 2. 20r equal to 2. This is PQR terms. PQR. Okay, three variables. First, same as is using matrix method. No, matrix method. First, capital A write down. Capital A matrix. First, PQR coefficient. First equation, PQR. 2, 3, 10. 2, 3, 10. Second equation, 4 minus 6, 5. Second equation, P coefficient, Q coefficient, R coefficient. This is R. Next, third equation, 6, 9 minus 20. This is capital A matrix. Capital A. Next, capital X equal to variables P, Q, R. P, Q, R. Next, capital B equal to constants 4, 1, 2. 4, 1, 2. 4, 1, 2. Okay, 4, 1, 2. Next, det A. Determinants of A. Det A equal to alternative symbols plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Okay, first 2 into first column close, minus 6 into minus first column A, B, C, D. Minus 6 into minus 20. 6 2 ja 120. Minus 5 9 ja 45. Minus 45. Next, minus 3. First row, second column close. 4 into 2. Minus 80. Okay, first row, second column. Minus 80. 5 6 ja 30. Minus 30. Plus 10 into. First row, third column close. 4 9 ja 36. Minus into minus plus. 6 6 ja 36. 36 plus 36. 36 plus 36. Okay, first row, third column close. 4 9 ja 36. Minus into minus plus 6 6 ja 36. Next, 120 minus 45, 75. 120 minus 45, 75. 75 puja, 75 puja, 150. 75 puja, 150. 120 minus 45, 75. 75 puja, 150. Next, minus 80 minus 30, minus 110. Minus into minus, plus 110 into 3, 330. 330. Okay, minus 80 minus 30, minus 110. Minus into minus, plus 110 into 3, 330. Next, 36 plus 36, 72. 72 into 10, 720. 720. 720. 720 plus 330 plus 150. Okay, total 700, 1000, 1100, 1200. Total 1200. 1200 is not equal to 0. It is non-singular matrix. Non-singular matrix. Suppose equal to 0 means there is no solutions. There is no system of equations. No solutions. Okay. Next, Ax equal to b. Ax equal to b. X equal to A inverse into b. X equal to A inverse into b. Find A inverse. A inverse formula. A inverse equal to 1 by delta A into odd joint A. 1 by delta A into odd joint A. Delta A value is there, 1200 delta A. But odd joint A, I want odd joint A. Odd joint A equal to transpose. Whole transpose. Okay. First here given here A matrix, no? A matrix. Alternate symbols remove. Okay. First second row middle number start. Second row middle number minus 6 5 minus 6 5 minus 6 5 4 4 starting minus 6 ending also minus 6. Next third row middle number 9 minus 20 9 minus 20. Next number 6 6 starting 9 ending also 9. Next first row middle number 3 10 3 10 3 10. Next 3 10. Next 2 2 starting 3 ending also 3. Next starting minus 5 minus 6 5 4 minus 6 ending also minus 6 5 4 minus 6 minus 6 5 4 minus 6. Next cross multiply. Cross multiply. Cross multiply. Okay. Here bottom two lines close. This is first line, second line. Bottom two lines. Remaining here AD minus BC. ABCD. This is AD minus BC. AD minus BC. Multiply. Okay. Minus 6 into minus 20. 120. 120 minus 120 minus 5 9 45. 120 minus 45 75. 75. Okay. ABCD. AD minus BC. These two numbers close. Remaining ABCD. Same. AD minus BC. 5 6 30 minus into minus plus 2 20 into 4 80. Okay. 30 plus 80 110. 110. 110. Okay. These two numbers close. ABCD. 5 6 30 minus into minus plus 4 into 20 80. Next 4 numbers close. These two numbers 4 numbers close. Remaining 4 9 36 minus into minus plus 6 6 36. 36 plus 36 72. 72. 36 plus 36 72. Next first top first line close. First line close. Remaining this is ABC. ABC. 9 into 10 90. 90 minus into minus plus 23 60. 20 into 3 60. 90 plus 60 150. 150. 150. Next, middle two numbers close, remaining minus 20 into 2, minus 40, minus 6 into 10, 60, minus 40, minus 60, minus 20 into 2, minus 40, minus 6 into 10, 60, minus 40, minus 60, minus 100, minus 100. Next, these two numbers close, remaining 6 3 is 18, minus 9 2 is 18, 18 minus 18, 0, 18 minus 18, 0. Next, first line close, second line also close, remaining A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. Same, 3 5 is 15, 3 5 is 15, minus into minus plus, 10 into 6, 60, 60 plus 15, 75, 75. Next, first two lines, first two numbers close, remaining A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. 10 into 4, 40, minus 2 5 is 10, 10 into 4, 40, 2 5 is 10, 40 minus 10, 30, 30. Next, these first two numbers, second two numbers close, 2 into minus 6, minus 12, 3 4 is 12, minus 12, minus 12, minus 12, minus 24, minus 24. Next, transpose. First row change to first column, second row change to second column, third row change to third column. Okay. Next, odd joint A, odd joint A, odd joint A equal to odd joint A, odd joint A, odd joint A equal to first row change to first column, 75, 110, 72. Next, second row change to second column, 150, minus 100, 0. Next, third row change to third column, 75, 30, minus 20, minus 20. This is odd joint. This is odd joint. Next, A inverse. A inverse. A inverse equal to 1 by det A value 1200. 1200 into odd joint. Odd joint. This is odd joint. 75, 150, 75, 110, minus 100, 30, 72, 0, minus 20. This is A inverse. This is A inverse. Next, capital X. Capital X equal to A inverse into B. A inverse into B. That equal to, this is a line. Okay, line. X equal to A inverse B. A inverse. This is A inverse. 1 by 1200 into 75, 150, 75, 110, minus 100, 30, 72, 0, minus 24 into B. B matrix 4 1 2. This is B. 4 1 2. 4 1 2. 4 1 2. Okay. Next, product. That equal to 1 by 1200 as this product. First row first column, second row first column, third row first column. 75 4 ja. 75 4 ja. 300. 300 plus 150 into 1. 150 plus into plus. 75 2 ja. 150. Okay. 75 4 ja. 300. 150 1 ja. 150. 75 2 ja. 150. Next, 110 into 4. 110 into 4. 440. 440. Minus 100 into 1. Minus 100. 30 into 2. 60. 30 into 2. 60. Next, second row, third row, first column. 72 4 ja. 4 2 ja. 8. 4 7 ja. 28. 288. 72 4 ja. 288. 72 2 ja. 288. 72 4 ja. 288. 0 into 1. 0 plus 0 minus 24 into 2. 24 into 2 minus 48. Minus 48. Next, that equal to 1 by 1200 into 300 plus 150 plus 150. 300 plus 300, 600. Next, 440 plus 60, 400. 400 minus 100, 400. Next, 288 minus 48, 288, 48. Okay, 0, 4, 240. Okay, next division. 600 by 1200, 400 by 1200, 240 by 1200. Okay, now I will do 600 by 1200. Two zeros cancel. 6 1 ja 6, 2 ja 1 by 2. Next, 400 by 1200. 400 by 1200. Two zeros cancel. 4 1 ja 4, 3 ja 1 by 3. Next, 240 by 1200. 0 cancel. 24 1 ja 24, 5 ja 24, 5 ja. Okay, 1 by 5. This is P, Q, R, no? Capital X. Capital X equal to P, Q, R. Capital X equal to P, Q, R. Okay, P, Q, R. Here write it. P, Q, R. Capital X. Continue. X equal to. What is X? X equal to P, Q, R. What is P? P equal to 1 by X. P value 1 by 2. So X equal to 2. P equal to 1 by X. No. First starting. P equal to 1 by X. Q equal to 1 by Y. R equal to 1 by Z. First. Okay. Here P equal to 1 by X. P value 1 by 2. Both equal, no? Numerator equal, denominator also equal. So X equal to 2. Next, Q, second one. Q equal to 1 by Y equal to 1 by 3. Q value 1 by 2. Y equal to 3. Last one, R equal to 1 by Z equal to 1 by 5. So Z equal to 5. X equal to 2, Y equal to 3, Z equal to 5.